her dream from childhood. I know that she wanted to do something special than other children what they do. I can say when she was small, 2-3 years old, she used to dance and she used to walk like she wanted to do something. So we know that from her childhood she wanted to do something in this field, and we never said no for her. Whatever she wanted to do, we always supported her and we'll be there for her for whatever. And this achievement what she has done is really a great achievement for us, and we know a lot of things she is going to do, because when this pageant is happened, and I met all people who came there to train them, and many people who were trained, Priyanka Chopra and that Ms. Chilla, and they were there. And after this all happened, I met them and they all were saying to me that we seen rarely father is coming with daughter for this pageant, and this is something different we've seen, and keep supporting her like this, and she has a lot of talent and she is going to achieve a lot of things in future. So if those people who experienced people are talking about her, because she was there for 5 days training under them, so I feel very proud when these experienced people are telling that she has talent and she can go ahead and support her.
And I'm extremely proud to tell everyone that I am Dazzle's Miss India International 2019. This was organized in Delhi, in Radisson Blue, Paschim Bihar, on 18th Feb. On 18th Feb there was final, and there were 23 contestants competing along with me, and I'm glad that I was selected as top 3, and I'm very happy and proud that I could make Goa proud at a national level, because I was first selected as Miss India Goa, and then I was crowned as Dazzle's Miss India International. So I'm extremely proud that I could make Goa extremely proud at a very prestigious stage at a national level. And this was in association with breast cancer. I would like to tell everyone that in women, the main cancer that is spread is breast cancer nowadays, and it is spreading very fast. It is one of the most dangerous cancer, and I would like to tell everyone that what happens is all the housewives in daily lives, they don't get time for themselves. They always live for others, and I feel that how they fast for their husbands or for their different types of religious stuff, I feel that they need to mark a day on the calendar as a me day, where they need to, go to a hospital and take their entire body checkup. So this is very important, because you never know what disease can come to you anytime, because nowadays there's a lot of pollution and diseases become common nowadays. So I would request every housewife to keep a day on the calendar as me day and go and check out themselves. Actually, from childhood, I'm passionate about acting and dancing, and I would love to become an actress and make people, at a national level platform and different level pageants. I want to participate, and my main dream is to become an actress.